Hello, everyone. My name is Aria, and welcome to English Talk Channel. I'm so excited to see you here today. Thank you for clicking on this video.
On this channel, we learn English through fun stories, real conversations, and everyday situations. Whether you're a beginner or improving your skills, you're in the right place.
Before we start today's story, please hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with anyone learning English. Today's story is about a brave little boy named Liam who faces his fear of thunderstorms. Let's dive in.
This is a story about Liam.
Good night, teddy bear.
Liam is sleeping. The weather is changing fast.
Listen, rain is starting. What? What is that sound? Look! Lightning! Lightning! Oh no! Thunder is so loud! Oh! I am scared! I must find my mom! Open! Open now! Stupid door! Ah! It does not open. Oh, this is bad. Mom, I'm scared. Help me. Power is off now. It is so dark. I am all alone here. I feel scared and alone. I feel scared and alone. Look at this shadow. The toys look strange. No monster! No monster! Peanuts! It is a monster! Go away! Go away! Go away! Go away! Please go away!
It's raining heavily outside. I should check around.
I must check Liam. He doesn't like thunder and lightning.
Wait, what is that sound?
Oh, the noises come from Liam's room. The door is stuck. Liam, can you hear me? Mom! Liam, are you all right? I hear you crying. It's Mom. Don't be scared, my dear. Mommy is here. It's safe, and I'll protect you. Please open the door. Mom! Mom! Mom, come inside! I need you! Light comes in. See? Nothing to be scared of now, little explorer.
Thank you, Mom. Wow, it's so warm and bright. Come here, sweetie. Come here, Mommy, I'm glad you are here.
I'm here now, sweetie. It's okay. My brave boy. Sorry for coming late.
There was monster under my bed.
Come over here, Liam. We'll look at the scary space together, bravely. No monster is real. It's all about your imagination.
Oh.
Watch closely. Let's see what's under your bed. There's nothing scary there at all.
Toys.
Look, Liam, there is no monster, just your toys.
Wow. Just toys.
Come here, Liam. We will play a game. Look, Liam, a spider.
Ooh.
This spider is very brave like you, Liam.
Wow. The shadow is very cute now.
I am here. Don't be scared.
Giggle, chuckle.
Look, a little bird flying.
Ah! I am not scared anymore.
The noise is going away.
Hey, that's my shirt. Hey, that's my shirt. It's just a shirt.
Very brave, Liam. I'm so proud of you.
Yay! The light is back! Let's blow out the candle.
The rain and thunder have gone away.
It's fine now.
Okay. Here, your new friend. You can use it whenever you feel scared.
Wow.
Wow! It is my flashlight. I can use it to fight scary shadows.
I can see everything in my room at night from now. It's so bright. Look, Mom. I have the power of light now.
Okay, playtime's over.
Time for sleep.
Good night, sweetie. Sleep
Sure, Mom.
warm. Keep warm. Don't kick your blanket out.
I will, Mom. Good night, my sweet Mom.
Good night, my lovely son. Liam feels peaceful. The rain has stopped. Here comes the peaceful night. Be brave like Liam.
And that's the end of Liam's brave story. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today.